Yo guys, it's your boy, back at it again. You know how it is, guys. I'm sorry, I promised a collab, but it's just not working out this video. But I've got some epic, Geometry Dash is getting a bit dead. Got some rainbow for the lads. The friends, I mean mates with the mates. I said mates, guys. Off the top of my noggin, I can say next video there will, I promise, guys. I don't even need to write this down. It's all in my noggin. There will be another video. But apart from that, let's get into the intro. That was epic. Oh my god, no. Oh, frig. Oh no, I got exposed. Oh jeez. Oh gosh dang. Sorry about that, guys. That was a glitch, I'm pretty sure. Let me just... signing off. Next video, I'm gonna do a little cheeky collab with my friends' mates. The mates. And, oh, maybe some more rainbow coming out. That was a glitch in the system. That's never happened to me before. But, might be signing off a little bit.